here with Howard Fitch, who is a partner with Capital Events Management. Thanks for talking to us today.
Thank you. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about Capital Events and its history.
Capital Events was founded in 2010. We did our first event in 2011 up in Whistler, and basically our mandate is to bring issuers and investors together in a nice weekend setting where it combines networking events, networking activities, along with one-on-one meetings, direct face-to-face meetings.
And so what is your goal for this conference specifically? How has it been going so far?
This is great. This is our fourth time here in Montreal now. We do 7 events per year. They're all similar in the extent that we bring 36 to 40 companies together. We've usually got about half returning companies and half new companies and half new investors and half returning investors. So we sort of mix and match so that if you're an issuer, you're not doing the same meetings over again. Mm-hmm. Montreal's a great city. This is a great time of year to be here with the Formula One race. So that really attracts a good crowd for us. Yeah. And we're super excited. But we once this event is finished, we move on to the next one. We're going to be in Kelowna and the Okanagan in mid-July. We're going after that to Muskoka District in late September. We do Florida, then the Bahamas in January. We do a conference in Whistler, British Columbia in February, and then we move to Scottsdale, Arizona in April. So we keep very busy. It takes all of our attention to make sure we get good quality companies and investors to the events.
Now, with this conference specifically, what are some trends that you've noticed among the junior players who are here today?
Well, it's encouraging now that there is some life back in the junior mining sector. For example, if you go back, say from 2012 up until 2016 January was a terrible bear market. There was a lot of attrition. A lot of companies were falling by the wayside. So the money's come back into the sector to a good extent. We also have a number of issuers that are outside mining at our conferences, and the trends are, some of the marijuana companies have been pretty hot of late. Mm-hmm. We've got all sorts of emerging growth situations, special situation companies that are active in technology, internet, industrial applications, etc. The commonality amongst all these is that they're emerging growth situations where there can be some significant upside, should the companies reach their milestones. So we cater to the smaller micro-cap investor that's looking for those types of opportunities. They can come to an event like this, meet with 18 companies one-on-one, network with the remainder of the companies at the different sessions, and come away with some great investment ideas.
Yeah, well, thanks so much for talking to us.
Excellent, thank you.